Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to create customer invoice through T code FB70. Let's start. Put the T code FB70 in the command bar, click on enter. This is the invoice screen of FB70 customer invoice. Put the customer number, click on F4. Click on enter. This is my customer. Double click on that. Put the invoice date. Then invoice number in reference field. Put the amount. Fill the text if required. Put the GL, then amount, then click on simulate. This is the transaction. Then click on save. Once save, this is document number 18006 was posted in company code A1. If you want to display this document number, then go to command bar, put /n FB03. This is the document number 18006 company code, then put the fiscal year. This is the transaction which is done right now. Okay, thank you.